I'm still water, guys. I haven't changed yet. Hey, McCall.
What?
You want to get the party started?
You're dumb.
Hey, babe.
What?
You want a latte? You jealous, Dad? Hey, babe.
What?
You're the best I ever had. What goes around, comes around, goes around, comes back around. Babe, what did the male dog say to the female dog?
What?
I had to get neutered. You're the boss, John. What?
Let's get sensual. Ooh. Ooh.
You're such a girly girl. Babe, will you be my Valentine again?
Valentuna?
My feet are dank because of all the calluses on them. Babe, what word did you pronounce this like?
Pillow.
I guess they can't tell the difference, can they?
Pillow. I sleep on a...
Babe,
What?
when you pray, you have to fold your arms. God is good. What's the genitalia of a female, babe?
A vag, John.
You needed me to remind me to buy some deodorant. This one time, I pulled my hamstring. See?
What?
I'm innocent.